Okay, hi everybody. We're back again today with building a server spawn, and I just built this outer ring on here. I might delete it. I'm kind of debating on it right now, and I've labeled what I want each side to be. So this is gonna be staff area. This is gonna be warp slash games rules, and then portals. So yeah, and first, right now we're working the staff. We're gonna have a bridge going over to the island. It's gonna be a separate little island. Okay, so let's get a start on that bridge. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I feel like this thing needs to be going up a lot more. Up a lot more. Then we're gonna have that. Gonna have it at 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then that's where we're gonna end the bridge. It's pretty much just gonna go up onto the island. Cause bring that down, that would make that a very long bridge. And I don't want that. You can do that, but I don't want to. So, just kinda don't want it to be too long or anything. There. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. That's all good. Just gotta finish that. And then it's done. Kind of. And then one reason why I made it go up and not from down here over down, so that we can put little stilts down here going up to the bridge, so that makes it look more a little bit more supported. I always liked it when things look a bit more supported. Right there. There. We don't really need one right there. Oh, we could actually move this one back. So that's not bad. That's actually very good, I think. And let's get... No, I needed that block. There. 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 Now, how does that look? Not that bad. Not that bad. Starting to like it. Starting to like it. Could probably just make those full blocks. There. Full block time. Okay. Well, we got that done. We can kind of just put a little bit of water under here. Whatever we want to put under here. That's cool. So now let's get some, let's just use these. It'll probably be the easiest right now. Ooh, this is a hard decision. Go like that, or should we go like that? I'm gonna go like this for right now. Just because I like it better. Oh, I could have fallen right there. You would have never known it. Well, you would have because I have it on video, but that's not the point. Oh, I'm really liking that bridge now. Okay, there. Today will be more building. Like, I mean, the whole thing will include building, but like today will be most of the building. Like paths, and then we'll have to do islands and everything. So it's gonna be pretty fun, I think, when it's like close to getting done and everything. There. Make it look all big, but like like it's going into some place, not just standing on the open. There. Okay. Well, we got that. This kind of signifies where the island's gonna be. Could build the island today. I don't know if we'll have enough time. Okay, so I don't really know how big I want the island to be yet, so let's just keep working on the bridge for like just the details and everything. No, not gonna do that. That doesn't look that bad. That doesn't look that bad. Just even those little details do something. Could kind of put like a second row or like a second strip of just this stuff, so it kind of look like it's being supported even a little bit more. Just kind of brighten it up and everything. Oh my god, no. No, no, no. So over here we'll probably have to end up doing that. That's not that bad. Then we could get these up here. These up here. Those down there. Down there. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Now if these line up perfectly, that's gonna be a miracle. Oh my gosh, they do. And like I said, I did not plan any of this at all, so this is all very lucky for me. No, I'm kind of liking that. Never really done a bridge like this before, where it kind of goes twice over. I mean, it doesn't look that bad either. Kind of leave the top open a little bit, just to see how it is and everything. I mean, that's not that bad. Really liking this. So we can get these under here. There's there. And we only have one under here. So now we can put some more fences up in here, kind of. But I want to put a different kind of fence, kind of like a stone fence. We'd have it like that, then like that, then like that. So right here it'd be pretty simple. There. And right here we wouldn't really have one. So there. No, not there. 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 So kind of like that. Ooh, this is starting to look good. Well, so we're really just going to be working on the bridge today. And we kind of go like that. Kind of like that. Kind of like that. There. Okay, so how's that look? Gonna try it. No, definitely not right there. Oh my god, no. No really good place to do it. You can't really do it right here, because then that would look weird for that half block. Dang it. We could go like that. There. Can't really do anything right there. They get to get off and everything. It's just kind of like a little fence right now. And then we can get actual fence. There. Oh no, 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 no. Too much fence. Too much fence. So we're not gonna put a roof on top of this. That's pretty much just gonna be our little bridge for right now. To kind of get started on the island, I guess. So the soil will be right here. So we'll be kind of surrounded in it, kind of. I don't exactly know yet, but today was really just a bridge, and next time we will get done with this, then we'll move on to another one, then we'll get done with that, then we'll move on to another one, etc. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and thank you for watching. Bye.